Okay, so here we go. We have the tie for my hair around my wrist. We also have the stethoscope around my neck. Here we have our N95 surgical mask, a glove, goggles, which are right on my hip right over here. And then I have my phone that's in my pocket. The first thing I want to show you is how to make it a little safer with the CORE stethoscope. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect this part, so I no longer have the earpiece. I have an elastic band around the head of my stethoscope. I'm going to take that off. There we go. I'm going to put my head of my stethoscope in the glove. What I want to do is find a smooth spot on the glove so that it's flat against the diaphragm, because that's what I'm going to use. It's mostly the diaphragm. And if I can get lucky, I can also do the bell of the head as well. So I just kind of crunch it up until it is pretty flat on all edges. And then I take the elastic band and I wrap it around a few times first, and then I'll go ahead and smoothen it out as best I can so it's nice and flat like that. And then I'll also do the same thing on the other side. And as soon as I can get it to be good, I'll just start wrapping it around the whole stethoscope head until I have a pretty smooth area to listen to sounds. And as you can see, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. And then this way I know the head is not going to touch the patient, and it will be easier to keep it cleaner. And then I have that with my phone in my scrub pocket. I'm ready to go. Now we can go ahead and get ready for full PPE. Again, I'm going to tie my hair back, get it around my ears, get it nice and tight, get as much of my hair out of the way as possible. And once I get that tied up, then I can go ahead and put on my N95. So much fun. There we go. Make sure that my hair is nice and tucked away. Then I go ahead and grab my surgical mask. So as you can see, I have my hearing aid there. I try to keep it exposed away from everything so that the microphone doesn't get hit by all the stuff. So there we go. I got that ready to go. You can't hear me in this thing. See the difference? Let's try to. Can you hear me okay? Can you hear me okay? Ridiculous. Then I have my goggles. Slip it on the outside of the ties. So there you go. Now I can go ahead and use the stethoscope without the tubing. If I wanted to, I could use a full plastic bag or something, and put it around the whole stethoscope and hide the whole stethoscope. I would take my phone and I would open up the Echo app, and it's looking for me to connect. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the CORE stethoscope to the flashing light, connect, and I can hear. So there we go. I'm ready to PPE, phone, CORE stethoscope protected. This is the way I do it in the clinic. I try to keep the phone on the counter or on a table, and I'll clean this after I'm finished. I'll take the glove off of this and change it to the next patient. There you go. What do you think? Okay, let's turn this off. Ready to roll.